everyone, I'm Kaylin, the lead floral designer at the Bouqs company, and today we're going to talk through how to process your flowers after you get your flower delivery. You'll want to bring your flowers in as soon as possible. You don't want them sitting on the porch for too long, especially if you're in a warmer climate. So bring them into a clean and tidy workspace and get them ready to enjoy. After you've brought your flowers in, you can go ahead and start unpacking. And I like to have my clippers and my vase ready so that as soon as we start cutting and clipping, everything is where we need it. So there you are, unpack your flowers, and you should have received a flower food, and they'll be wrapped like this in a plastic sleeve. If you have a couple of hours, it would be ideal for you to just cut the stems and let them rehydrate in this plastic sleeve. If you don't, no worries, we're gonna just cruise right into processing. But if you do have that time, it's just good practice to get your flowers hydrated. So unwrap your rubber band and remove the plastic sleeve. I like to remove right on this crease. It makes it a little bit easier. You can just tear open like that. Save your flower food. We're gonna need that. And then take off this second rubber band as well. Okay, and then this is magnetic. So usually our sunflowers and mums will come with these little nets that just protects them in the shipping process, so you'll want to remove those as well. Next, you want to remove any excess leaves off of your stems. Don't worry, we're not removing all of the leaves. We will have the leaves up top to give our arrangement some fullness. We just want to make sure there are no leaves below the waterline. Sunflowers, you don't need to worry about. So after you've removed the leaves, we're going to go ahead and give our stems a fresh cut. This, again, like everything else that we've gone through, is crucial. You want your flowers to uptake as much water as possible, and in order to do that, we need to cut them at a 45-degree angle. We don't want this blunt edge because flowers won't be able to take in as much water. Give them all a 45-degree angle cut. I start by taking off maybe 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Try to cut them one at a time to make sure everyone is getting a quality cut. Okay, so our last step is getting our flowers in nice cool water. We're going to take our flower food packet that we got in our box with our flowers and put it in the vase. I just like to use half of the flower food because we'll use the other half later when we refresh our water. We are going to get these flowers in water. They've been out of water long enough, so let's just get them in our vase. And there you have it. These flowers will stay hydrated until we want to arrange them. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and happy processing. See ya!